In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list multiple items on eBay. If you want to save time when creating listings, eBay gives you a couple of simple ways to sell more than one item from a single draft. This is especially useful if you have several identical products, or if you're selling the same item in different options like size, color, or style. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to look for. To begin, head to eBay and click on Sell. This takes you into the seller area where you can manage your listings, drafts, and inventory. If you're already signed in, you should land directly in the selling dashboard. Once you're there, move your cursor over listings. Hovering here will open the menu that gives you access to different listing sections. This is where eBay organizes active items, unsold items, drafts, and more. So it's a good place to get familiar with if you sell regularly. From that menu, click on Drafts. The Drafts section shows any listings you've started but haven't finished publishing yet. This is helpful when you want to return to an item you were working on instead of starting over from scratch. Now, find the draft you want to update and click Resume Draft. That will reopen the listing editor so you can continue making changes. Take a moment here to review the listing details and make sure you're editing the correct item before updating the quantity or adding variations. If you're listing multiple identical items, you can add more quantity. This tells eBay that you have more than one of the exact same product available under a single listing. It's a quick and efficient option when the items are all the same in condition, format, and details. Just update the quantity field to match the number of units you want to sell. If the items are similar but not exactly the same, you can add variations instead. Variations are ideal when one listing includes choices such as different sizes, colors, designs, or other selectable options. Using variations helps keep everything organized in one place and makes it easier for buyers to choose the version they want without browsing multiple separate listings. That's all it takes to list multiple items on eBay from a draft. Start by going to Sell, hover over Listings, open Drafts, resume your draft, and then choose whether to increase the quantity or add variations depending on what you're selling. This approach can make your listing process much faster and cleaner, especially if you manage inventory in batches.